Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the CP Plus camera and confirming LED status so you know it is responsive. Next, connect your phone or PC to the same local network because the camera and device must communicate. Open the CP Plus app or web interface, enter admin credentials to log in. Once done, locate the camera in the device list or enter its IP address manually. This gives you direct access to network settings needed to change Wi-Fi without guessing details. You now navigate to the camera's network or Wi-Fi settings because that's where the SSID and password live. Choose the new wireless network from the list. Type the password carefully and pick WPA2 for best compatibility and security. Make sure to apply or save changes. The camera may reboot to join the new network. After it reconnects, check the device list or router DHCP table to confirm the camera received a new IP address, so you can access it on the new network. You finish by verifying live view in the app to confirm the camera is streaming over the new Wi-Fi. Also check the camera's IP to ensure proper assignment. If the camera fails to connect, reboot the camera and router and then re-enter the SSID and password. Small typos are common causes. If problems persist, temporarily move the camera closer to the router or perform a factory reset as a last resort, because resetting clears all settings and forces you to reconfigure from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.